Hi guys, it's Harry from Kickstart Commerce and I'm back today with another tutorial for you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to bulk import URL redirects into your BigCommerce store. So you might want to do this if you have gone through your site and you have found a load of broken links that lead to error pages, and you'd want to redirect visitors of your site from these pages to an active page, or even just back to your home page. You might also want to do this if you have seasonal products that come and go and are paused if they're not in season, and anything that's linking to these pages, you wouldn't want your visitors to get stuck on that page. So you could link them to a similar product or something like that. So I'll get into it. So first off, if we navigate in the back office to the server settings and we go to 301 redirects. Okay, now you might have a load here, you might not have that many. We have two in our kind of example store here. Now I'm going to add a redirect in so that we can export it and get the template. So if we just do, for an example, we take window locks here and we're going to want to redirect it to this window furniture page. Then we can put this in here and we'll take the link for window furniture. We can put that in there and save. So that is now a redirect, and if we tick this and export these. Okay, so then we will click the default template and make sure that it is exported as a CSV file. And then if we continue and we click this button here, and now we can download this CSV file, which I will put in here as this, and open it up. So you can do this in Excel or in Google Sheets. It works in both. In Google Sheets, you will have to save this CSV file as a Google Sheet, otherwise you can't edit it. Okay, so once that is done, we have our template. Now, as you'll notice from this in our back office, the two existing redirects we have are dynamic, and the one we added was manual. So you can only import manual redirects. The dynamic redirects, when you export, will give you this old path, associated type and associated ID. Now we don't need any of these columns, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete those. So when importing, you only need the old URL and new URL columns. And now let's add two in as an example. So we can take two other random pages. Let's go with kitchen wardrobe and cabinet handles. We can put that in there. Just make sure that it doesn't overlap. And then we can redirect that to latches and mechanisms. Just like that. And then let's maybe go for door controls. Will be redirected to hinges, for example. There we go. So that is all we need to do. Obviously, if you've got a lot more, then you will have to populate this with as many as you need. Now, if we just go to File, Download, and download it as a CSV file, we can do this as redirects, import example 2021. Okay, so once you have saved that, we can go back to our BigCommerce store and we can do a bulk import. And if we just choose this file that we've just saved down and tick this file contains headers because we've got the old URL and the new URL headers, and we import. Okay, there we go. So we have the kitchen, wardrobe and cabinet handles to latches and mechanisms, and we have door controls to hinges. So that is the tutorial for you guys. If you have any other questions or any suggestions for another tutorial, feel free to drop a comment down below, and we will look at getting that done in the near future. But for now, see you later.